Welcome to Auto Garage, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of automobiles. Here, we explore the finest vehicles, their unique features, and everything you need to know before making a decision. Join us as we delve into the thrilling world of automotive excellence. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is a masterpiece that combines power, design, and innovation to set a new benchmark in high-performance sports cars. It boasts a stunning design with aggressive aerodynamic elements, ensuring it not only looks fast but performs even faster. Under the hood lies a beastly 5.5-liter V8 engine with a twin turbocharger, delivering a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower. This immense power allows the ZR1 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, offering an adrenaline-packed driving experience. Chevrolet has equipped the ZR1 with advanced performance features, including a carbon fiber rear wing for enhanced downforce and lightweight construction for improved handling. The magnetic ride control ensures exceptional cornering stability, while Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide superior stopping power. With a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour, this vehicle is engineered for those who crave speed and precision. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 reflects a blend of luxury and functionality. The driver-focused cockpit includes premium materials, ergonomic seats, and advanced technology to elevate the driving experience. A customizable 12-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch infotainment system equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end Bose sound system ensure you stay connected and entertained. Safety features are not overlooked in this high-performance car. Chevrolet has integrated advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring confidence both on the track and the road. Additionally, the ZR1 features multiple drive modes, allowing drivers to tailor performance to their preferences, whether it's for daily driving or intense track days. The exterior design is a visual treat with bold lines, a distinctive front fascia, and striking LED lighting. The wide selection of colors and customizations allows buyers to personalize their ZR1, making it truly unique. This car is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation, appealing to both Corvette enthusiasts and new fans alike. Thank you for tuning into Auto Garage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest cars, detailed reviews, and automotive trends. Your support drives us to bring you the best of the automotive world. Stay tuned for more.